Hello, and welcome to another update video on Dogecoin. Yeah, here I'm currently on the daily time frame. Just for everybody who's new on the channel, the reminder that we might be dealing here with a C wave to the upside, which has started, but the condition is, of course, that we're holding above the June low. Yeah, we need to hold above this 14.3 cent level there. That's very important, and the focus will then shift to this C wave target area between 28.7 cents and 33.8, 37.4 cents next, as long as the June low is holding. So I'm currently tracking this support area on the chart as next, you could say, milestone target for the bulls. You might notice it on the chart. It currently only looks like a 3-wave move up from the June low, so we haven't got another 5-wave move up, but the trend seems to be up, especially from the June low. This week we had some interesting upside momentum, and weekend, on weekends when the week was quite aggressive, normally on the weekends we get a little bit of consolidation, a bit of a pullback, and that is, I think, exactly what we see right now. I often call it like a wave 4 weekend or a wave 4 Saturday. Most of you guys will know that. Typically on a wave on a Saturday we see these wave 4s. Now that is based on the internal structure then. So let us take a look at the short-term chart. Let's open here the short-term Doge chart. Yeah, because what you see here on this chart is that we are moving up in 3 waves so far from that June low, and I'm tracking this as wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. That was long enough. We might be in the wave 4. I'm not tracking this as an impulse. I'm tracking it as actually as a diagonal structure, yeah? And the diagonal structure is likely still unfolding. In fact, we're probably just now in the wave 4 of that wave 1. Basically a corrective pullback in a wave 1 to the upside. And the support area is between 17.9 cents and 20 cents. Why? Because in any corrective pullback in a wave 4, hold on. Oh, I actually need to adjust it slightly lower, slightly. And we adjust it to the left a bit, just slightly. So 17.6 cents to 19.88 cents. That's important because in any wave 4 pullback in a diagonal structure, the price should not break below the 61.8 retracement. Well, it can. In that case, then the price will shift to the focus will shift to this invalidation line there, highlighted in red, at 15.6 cents. For now, the pressure is up. The trend is up. We're still holding above support. All we see at the moment is a bit of a pullback over the weekend. I think that's normal. Looking at the nanostructures, I can see this happen as a wave 4 potentially, right? We do have a 3-wave pullback. That, technically speaking, leaves the door open for higher prices. And the next objective for the bulls would, of course, be a break above 21.5 cents. This swing high from Friday. What we could do as well is to determine where could we potentially see a target for the 5th wave up. We calculate, therefore, measure, or rather determine, where the 3rd wave topped, and then we take it from there, because typically you would expect the 5th wave to be maybe 2 Fibonacci levels higher or so than the 3rd wave. Just adding the relevant levels here. Yeah. So you see it reacted to the 178.6 extension at 21 cents, typical for a 3rd wave. So the 5th wave normally, I'd say 22.2 cents, 223.6 extension, or 23.3 cents, the 238.2 extension. So that will depend a little bit on where the wave 4 bottoms, but that's one way of determining that. That's the update on Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.